Ever found yourself head over heels for someone, but unsure how to make them feel the same? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the fascinating world of attraction. Get ready to uncover 12 mind-bending psychological techniques that'll have you feeling like a love wizard in no time. Wait, is there really a science to winning over my crush? You better believe it. Behind every fluttery feeling and racing heart, there's a method to the madness. We're about to peel back the curtain and reveal the secrets that make people tick. But here's the twist. It's not about playing games or pulling strings. It's all about understanding human psychology and forging connections that are as genuine as they are irresistible. Sounds intriguing. But how exactly are we going to do this? That's the exciting part. I'll be your guide on this roller coaster ride through the mysteries of attraction. Together, we'll unpack each technique with practical tips, real-life examples, and maybe even a sprinkle of humor. So grab your popcorn and get ready to discover the secrets of attraction like never before. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Number 1. Confidence is key. Confidence is undeniably attractive. It's not about being loud or overbearing, but rather owning your worth and being comfortable in your own skin. Start by acknowledging your strengths and achievements, no matter how small. Set realistic goals and take steps to achieve them. Confidence shines through in your body language, tone of voice, and the way you carry yourself. Practice positive self-talk and challenge negative thoughts. Remember, confidence is contagious. When you believe in yourself, others will too. Number 2. Authenticity wins hearts. Authenticity is the foundation of any meaningful relationship. It's about being genuine, vulnerable, and unapologetically yourself. Embrace your quirks, passions, and imperfections. Don't be afraid to share your true self with your crush. Authenticity builds trust and fosters deep connections because it allows others to see the real you. When you're authentic, you invite authenticity in return, creating a genuine bond that's built to last. Number 3. Active listening. Listening is more than just hearing words. It's about truly understanding and empathizing with the speaker. Practice active listening by giving your full attention, maintaining eye contact, and nodding in acknowledgement. Ask open-ended questions to encourage your crush to share more about themselves. Reflect back on what they've said to show that you're engaged and interested. Resist the urge to interrupt or interject with your own stories. By being a good listener, you'll not only make your crush feel valued, but also deepen your connection with them. Number 4. Find common ground. Shared interests and values form the bedrock of any successful relationship. Take the time to discover what you and your crush have in common. It could be a love for a particular hobby, a shared taste in music, or similar life goals. Use these commonalities as a springboard for conversation and shared experiences. Show genuine interest in your crush's passions, and be open to exploring new things together. Finding common ground creates a sense of camaraderie and connection that strengthens your bond. Number 5. Subtle flirting. Flirting is an art form that can add excitement and playfulness to your interactions with your crush. However, it's essential to approach it with respect and sensitivity. Subtle gestures, compliments, teasing, and light touches can convey your interest without coming on too strong. Pay attention to your crush's responses and adjust your approach accordingly. Remember, the goal is to make them feel good about themselves and enjoy the interaction, not to manipulate or pressure them into reciprocating your feelings. Number 6. Compliments done right. Sincere compliments have the power to brighten someone's day and make them feel appreciated. When giving compliments to your crush, be specific, genuine, and respectful. Instead of generic flattery, focus on something unique or noteworthy about them, like a talent, a personality trait, or a small gesture of kindness. Avoid commenting on physical appearance or making overly suggestive remarks. The key is to make your crush feel seen and valued for who they are. Number 7. Respect boundaries. Respecting boundaries is crucial in any interaction, especially when it comes to matters of the heart. Pay attention to your crush's verbal and nonverbal cues to gauge their comfort level. If they seem hesitant or uncomfortable, back off and give them space. Always ask for consent before initiating physical contact or discussing sensitive topics. Respect their autonomy and decision-making process, even if it means accepting rejection gracefully. Remember, true attraction and connection can only flourish in an environment of mutual respect and consent. Number 8. Sense of mystery. A touch of mystery can be incredibly alluring, sparking curiosity and intrigue in your crush's mind. Instead of revealing everything about yourself up front, leave room for discovery and anticipation. Share your stories, experiences, and interests gradually, allowing your crush to peel back the layers of your personality over time. Don't be afraid to hold back a bit. Mystery keeps things exciting and leaves your crush wanting to learn more about you. Number 9, positive attitude. A positive attitude is like a magnet. It draws people towards you and makes you more attractive in their eyes. Approach life with optimism, resilience, and a sense of humor. Focus on the good things in your life and cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Smile often, laugh freely, and radiate positive energy wherever you go. Your upbeat demeanor will not only make you more appealing to your crush, but also enhance your own well-being. Number 10, be supportive. Support is the backbone of any healthy relationship. Show empathy, offer encouragement, and be there for your crush during both the highs and lows of life. Listen attentively to their concerns, validate their feelings, and offer practical help when needed. Celebrate their successes and provide a shoulder to lean on during challenging times. When your crush knows that they can count on you for support, they'll feel valued and cherished, deepening their emotional connection to you. Number 11, sense of humor. A good sense of humor is a powerful tool for building rapport and breaking down barriers with your crush. Share jokes, funny anecdotes, and playful banter to lighten the mood and create memorable moments together. Don't take yourself too seriously. Be willing to laugh at yourself and embrace the silly side of life. Laughter is not only infectious, but also fosters a sense of closeness and camaraderie between you and your crush. Number 12, patience is virtue. Patience is indeed a virtue, especially when it comes to matters of the heart. Building a genuine connection takes time and cannot be rushed. Be patient with yourself and with your crush as you navigate the ups and downs of getting to know each other. Avoid putting pressure on the situation or expecting immediate results. Instead, focus on enjoying the journey and savoring each moment you spend together. Trust that if the connection is meant to be, it will develop naturally over time. By mastering these psychological techniques, you'll not only captivate your crush's attention, but also lay the foundation for a meaningful and lasting relationship. Remember, the most attractive quality you can possess is authenticity. So be yourself, have fun, and let your genuine charm shine through. Approach your interactions with respect, empathy, and patience, and you'll be well on your way to winning your crush's heart. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.